Hi, we're gonna make cauliflower with chicken today, and that's why we're gonna use three cup of cauliflower and quarter cup of red pepper and quarter cup of carrot and half cup of potato. Okay, and we gonna use three quarter pound of dark meat chicken, or you can use white meat or doesn't matter. So today we're using the dark meat. Then first we have to marinate the chicken. We're gonna put little salt in it. Little salt in it. Probably a quarter teaspoon of salt. And quarter cup of white pepper. Then we put 1 egg in it. Then we're gonna marinate them first. Like that, kind of make it. And after that, we put some cornstarch in it. Just want to make it, kind of mix together so they don't get too runny. The eggs, kind of like that. And after that, we put little oil in it. Just like that. Okay. Then it's ready for cooking. So first we have to cook the vegetable. So we bring it to here because we boil them first. See, you bring the water up to boiling, then you put that in. Boiling them for a little bit. So you have to bring it up to boiling. Then you have to wait for probably at least 5 minutes. And normally, after a few minutes, and you can check it with a fork or knife, or see you can dig in there. You can go in there. If you go in there, that means it's cooked. It's well cooked, because you don't want it crispy, or you don't want it real crispy. And it takes a little bit for the water to boiling. It has been about 5-6 minutes. So you're gonna go like, use a fork. You can punch it in like that. So it's done. So we're gonna drink the water right in here. Then we're gonna start cooking the meat. For that, put some oil in there. Wait until it's hot, then we're gonna put the chicken in it. You want to kind of browning them. Try to browning them the outside. Then you turn them over this other side, like that. Okay. So pretty much you can see that the chicken is kind of cooking, and you can see the just get smaller and string. And now you're gonna put some onions, just a little onions, and some ginger, and one teaspoon of garlic in it, and kind of brown them. Here you can see them blanking up a little bit, and that's almost done. So you start browning that up pretty good. So after that, we're gonna put the cooking wine in it. 2 tablespoons of cooking wine, and 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. Then we're gonna put about 1 tablespoon of wholesome sauce in it. Oh, maybe 1.5. And also I want 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce in it. Alright, then you put probably half cup. There's about half cup of water. Then we cover them up. We let it cook for just a little bit because to make sure the chicken are well done. See? Just like that. And then in the meantime, we just mix some cornstarch to make the gravy. Just a little water. About two teaspoons of cornstarch. Just like that, make that up. 1/3 cup of water and two teaspoons of cornstarch. So you can see that stop boiling, and we just turn them over, let it cook for maybe a couple minutes, and that should be done. You probably have to cut it, cook it for at least 3-4 minutes. Okay. And now we're gonna put little sesame seed oil in it. And we start making the gravy, thickening it a little bit, you know. You don't need it real thick, but you just put a little bit in it. You just put a little bit at a time and see how it goes. I think that's good enough. It's just right there. And that, and we put the vegetable in it. And then we can, it's ready. Okay, that's chicken with cauliflower.